Yeah, this is a short demonstration of how to export from FieldView a field boundary in shape format that then can be absorbed eventually into the NORI soil carbon calculator. Um, so this is a conceptual, this is a farm with many fields in the FieldView design. So what we're going to do is we'll pick a particular field, and let's pick this one. This is kind of a clunky looking one. Let's see what happens when we see what this field looks like. I believe this is in two parts, this field. So what we're going to see here in this case is no, this is a single field, looks like right here. So what we're going to build here is a prescription first for this field. And so the process that we're going to go through here is we generate a prescription essentially with a zero value, essentially a null prescription. And once we have that, then we can export it. So this is the field. We're going to create in this demonstration as a fertility prescription. Create this. We're going to do it by manual method. If you look right here, this field has a soil boundary right here on the very tippy edge up there. The climate model uses the soil series as a potential management zone. So that's this particular boundary creation is using the soil survey to create a prescription in two management areas. That little sliver is one, and the rest of it's the main soil type. So we're going to stick with that, and we'll just call it an other application. It has a guesstimated date of what we're doing here I just call this a lime application, granular material. You know, you can pick any one of these as the material source. Unique name, finish in the. So we're generating a script for this particular field. Again, as this detail appears, this fine detail, this will show two zones. Zone 1 of 0 amount, that little sliver, and then second 0 of 0. So now we have a single field with two management zones on it. What we're going to do for purposes of keeping it simple, stupid, and this is such a small sliver of ground, can't really call it a different soil in my mind, but we're going to merge these guys together. So we're going to pick that zone and that zone and merge them into one unit, which is that right there, 0 value. So that's the field, and then we'll save that away. Okay, and then close this activity. Come over here and make an export. We're going to download. So this download process is going to generate a zip file, a shapefile, zip file. And so here's that. Just for illustration though, I'm not going to unpack this because for some reason it throws an error, blows up this video log. Okay, so anyway, here are the 4 files that have been generated for this field. If I go through the extract process on this, I will get a blow up. So I'm going to stop here and pick up on the other side, but essentially these are the shapefile. This is the shapefile we're going to transfer over to the Nori carbon calculator. Okay,